You want to be your own boss. You want to take control of your destiny and carve out your own path in the world. The idea of working for someone else, following their rules, and building their dreams just doesn't sit right with you. You crave the freedom of building something from the ground up, the thrill of seeing your ideas come to life, the satisfaction of knowing that every success is a result of your hard work and creativity. You dream of financial independence, the ability to make money on your own terms, to create wealth that can support you and your loved ones, and to have the financial freedom to live the life you want. It's a hustle, but it's your hustle. The late nights, the early mornings, the constant grind, it's all worth it because it's for something you believe in. And that's something to be proud of. Every milestone, every achievement, no matter how small, is a testament to your dedication and perseverance. You don't need a fancy office or a $1 million investment to get started. All you need is a space where you can think, create, and work on your ideas. All you need is a spark, an idea, that one concept that excites you, that you can't stop thinking about, that you believe can make a difference, the guts to take action, to step out of your comfort zone, to take risks, and to put in the effort to turn your idea into reality. Small businesses are the backbone of our economy. They create jobs, they fuel innovation, they bring new ideas and solutions to the market. They bring life to our communities. They provide unique products and services, and they create a sense of connection and belonging. The beauty of a small business is its agility, the ability to pivot, to adapt to changing circumstances, and to respond quickly to new opportunities. You can adapt quickly to changing markets. You can innovate, experiment, and find new ways to meet the needs of your customers. You can connect with your customers on a personal level. You call the shots, you build relationships, understand their needs, and create value for them. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building something meaningful, something that lasts. It's about the journey, the learning, and the growth. This is about hard work, dedication, and the unwavering belief in your own potential. The determination to overcome obstacles, to keep going even when things get tough. So are you ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur? Are you ready to take the leap, to embrace the challenges, and to chase your dreams? Let's dive into some exciting small business ideas that can turn your dreams into reality. Ideas that can inspire you, motivate you, and set you on the path to success. The best time to start was yesterday. The world is moving fast and opportunities are waiting for those who are ready to seize them. The next best time is now. Let's go. Your entrepreneurial journey starts today. Embrace it, own it, and make it happen. Everyone has a smartphone. These devices have become an essential part of our daily lives, connecting us to the world and each other. A laptop, a tablet. These gadgets are indispensable for work, entertainment, and staying informed. But when these devices break, people panic. The frustration of a broken screen or a malfunctioning laptop can be overwhelming. That's where you come in. As a tech repair specialist, you can turn this panic into an opportunity. Tech repair is a booming business with low startup costs and high profit potential. The demand for skilled technicians is ever growing. You don't need to be a tech genius either. With the right training and resources, anyone can learn the basics of tech repair. Start with basic repairs like cracked screens and software issues. These are common problems that many people face. As you gain experience, you can expand your services to include more complex repairs. This will allow you to cater to to a wider range of customers. Build trust with your customers. A satisfied customer is likely to return and recommend your services to others. Offer fair prices and quick turnaround times. These are key factors that will set you apart from the competition. Word of mouth will spread. Happy customers will share their positive experiences with friends and family. You'll be the go-to tech wizard in town. Your reputation will grow as more people come to rely on your expertise. Remember, people are always going to need their devices fixed. The reliance on technology is only increasing. This is a business with staying power. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your tech repair skills into a thriving enterprise. Pig farming might not sound glamorous, but it's a profitable venture, especially in rural areas. Pigs are relatively low maintenance animals. They reproduce quickly and have a high demand for their meat. Start small. A few pigs in a well-maintained pen. Focus on providing quality feed and care. As your herd grows, so will your profits. You can sell your pigs to local butchers, restaurants, or even directly to consumers. Pig farming requires dedication and hard work, but the rewards can be substantial. Goat farming is another lucrative agricultural business. Goats are hardy animals that can thrive in various climates. They produce milk, meat, and fiber. This offers multiple income streams. Start with a small herd of goats. Focus on a specific niche, like dairy or meat production. Goat milk is in high demand for its health benefits. Goat meat is a lean and flavorful alternative to other red meats. With proper care and marketing, you can turn your goat farm into a thriving business. Land is a valuable asset that appreciates over time. Land trading involves buying land at a lower price and selling it at a higher price. This requires market knowledge, negotiation skills, and a bit of patience. Research developing areas. Look for properties with potential for growth. You can also subdivide larger plots of land and sell them as smaller parcels. Always conduct thorough due diligence before investing in any property. Real estate can be a lucrative field, but it's essential to do your homework. Section 6. Education Empire. Building a future one student at a time. Are you passionate about education? Do you find joy in helping others learn and grow? Do you have expertise in a particular subject, whether it's math, science, languages, or the arts? Your knowledge can be invaluable. If so, tutoring might be the perfect business for you. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your students excel and achieve their goals. You can start by offering your services to students in your local area. Begin with one-on-one sessions and build your reputation. Word of mouth and online platforms can help you attract clients. Leverage social media and educational forums to spread the word. As your reputation grows, you can expand your services to include online tutoring, group classes, and even workshops. This diversification can help you reach more students. Tutoring is a rewarding business that allows you to make a difference in the lives of students while earning a good income. It's a fulfilling way to share your passion for education and contribute to the community. Section 7. Grocery Guru. Stocking shelves, stacking profits. Everyone needs groceries. This makes a mini supermarket a stable business opportunity. Start by catering to a specific niche in your community. Maybe you focus on organic produce, international foods, or everyday Essentials at competitive prices. Provide excellent customer service. Create a welcoming and well-stocked store. You'll quickly become a neighborhood favorite. As your customer base grows, you can expand your product line and even consider opening additional locations. Section 8. Cleanliness is king. Sparkling your way to financial freedom. In today's fast-paced world, people are always looking for help with cleaning and maintenance. This makes cleaning and security services a lucrative business. Start by offering basic cleaning services to residential clients. As you gain experience and build a client base, you can expand to commercial cleaning, janitorial services, and even security guard services. Section 9. Content is currency, turning creativity into cash. In the digital age, content is king. If you have a knack for writing, video editing, or graphic design, you can start a content creation business. Offer your services to businesses, bloggers, and individuals looking to enhance their online presence. Build a strong online portfolio. Showcase your skills. You'll be surprised by how much demand there is for high-quality content.